Hey guys, this is a quick review of the Biotin gummy that I ordered from Amazon. I've been experiencing a lot of hair fall after my surgery, so I decided to try out this hair supplement. Honestly, I was attracted by this cute and aesthetic packaging at first, plus it comes in my favorite strawberry flavor. The packaging has all the necessary information about the supplement. The box is made of cardboard, so it's little tight to open. Contains about 60 gummies and you can take one per day before meal. And I have to tell you guys, the taste is so yummy, like a soft and chewy strawberry jelly. And as you can see, it also looks like a strawberry. And it's way better than swallowing pills. Plus it's good for your nail, hair and skin. So give it a try.